Beautiful day, everyone! If you're looking for a reliable gas stove that can make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable, then today's review is for you. We're taking a closer look at the RAF Home Cooking 3 Burner Gas Stove. Whether you're preparing daily meals for your family, hosting special occasions, or running a small food business from home, having enough cooking space can make a huge difference. So let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is its modern and elegant appearance. Unlike traditional metal gas stoves, this model features a sleek, tempered glass top, giving it a clean and premium look that blends well with almost any kitchen. The black glass finish makes it look more expensive than it actually is, and it instantly adds a modern touch to your countertop. Of course, good looks are only part of the story. The tempered glass surface is also practical because it's easier to wipe clean after cooking. Oil spatters, sauce spills, and food residue can usually be removed with a soft cloth once the stove has cooled. The stove also comes with sturdy pan supports that keep your cookware stable while cooking. Whether you're using a small saucepan or a larger stock pot, the supports provide a secure base to help prevent slipping. Overall, the design combines style with everyday functionality. One of the biggest advantages of this stove is, of course, its 3 burners. Having 3 burners means you don't have to wait for one dish to finish before starting another. For example, you can cook rice on one burner, which is the smaller one, or you can cook soup on it, fry fish or chicken on the second burner, and prepare vegetables on the third burner. Everything cooks at the same time, which saves valuable time, especially during busy mornings or family gatherings. If you enjoy cooking complete meals or preparing food for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, you'll appreciate the convenience of having 3 burners available. It is also ideal for small home-based food businesses where cooking speed is important. Now let's talk about performance. A gas stove should provide strong, steady heat, and this RAF model is designed to deliver exactly that. The burners heat up quickly, making it easy to boil water, fry meat, saute vegetables, or simmer soups. One of the biggest advantages of cooking with gas is its instant flame control. If your food starts boiling too fast, simply reduce the flame. If you need high heat for stir frying, increase it immediately. This quick response gives you better control over your cooking and helps prevent food from burning. The burner layout also provides enough space to use multiple pots and pans at the same time without feeling overly crowded. Although using 3 very large pots simultaneously may be a bit tight depending on their size. For everyday cooking, however, it performs very well. No matter how good a stove is, cleaning is always part of the cooking experience. Thankfully, this model is fairly easy to maintain. The tempered glass surface doesn't absorb grease like unfinished metal surfaces. Once a stove has completely cooled, simply wipe it with a damp microfiber cloth and a mild kitchen cleaner. Cleaning the burners regularly also helps maintain an even flame and prevents food particles from clogging the burner holes. Avoid using abrasive scrubbers that could scratch the glass surface. With regular maintenance, your stove can continue looking clean and performing efficiently for years. Whenever you're using any gas stove, safety should always come first. Always check your LPG hose and regulator for signs of wear or leaks. Make sure all burner knobs are turned completely off after cooking. It's also important to use the stove in a well-ventilated kitchen so fresh air can circulate while you're cooking. Keep flammable items such as paper towels, curtains, and plastic containers away from the burners. Finally, clean up oil and food spills regularly to reduce the risk of accidental fires. Following these simple safety habits can help keep your kitchen safe every day. So, who is this stove best for? I would recommend it for families who cook several meals every day, newlyweds furnishing their first kitchen, home cooks who enjoy preparing multiple dishes, small catering or food businesses, and anyone upgrading from a 1 or 2 burner stove. If you often find yourself wishing you had one more burner while cooking, this stove could be a worthwhile upgrade. But manage your expectations because the center burner is small. After looking at its features, I think the RAF Home Cooking 3-burner gas stove offers a great balance of style, convenience, and functionality. The modern tempered glass design looks attractive, the 3 burners make cooking much more efficient, and the easy-to-clean surface is perfect for busy households. While it does require a little more countertop space than smaller gas stoves, the added cooking capacity makes it well worth it for many families. If you're looking for a practical gas stove that can handle everyday cooking while giving your kitchen a modern look, this is definitely one to consider. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our future reviews of home appliances, kitchen essentials, and useful household products. See you next time. Bye!